na bang manood at makinig? Kasama mo palagi si Teacher Arlene. Handa ka na bang manood at makinig? Kasama mo palagi si Teacher Arlene. Halina't matuto ng bagong aralin. Halina't matuto ng bagong aralin. Hi kids! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Teacher Arlene. Nakasubscribe ka na ba? Kung hindi pa, please do like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa lahat ng video lessons na ginagawa ko para sa iyo. English 1, Quarter 3, Week 1. We are going to discuss about rhyming words. Words are formed by combining the letters of the alphabet. It is important to remember that the English alphabet is composed of 26 letters with 5 vowels and 21 consonants. And here are the consonants. We have B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So we have how many vowels? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many consonants? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So altogether, we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. We have 26 letters of the English alphabet. By combining some of these letters, words may be formed. Some of these words include net, one, pen, and red. So we have noticed that the word net is composed of 1, 2, 3 letters. The word one is composed of 1, 2, 3 letters. Pen is composed of 1, 2, 3 letters. And the word red is also composed of 1, 2, 3 letters. So you see, words are formed by combining some of letters. At the end of our lesson, you are expected to recognize rhyming words in nursery rhymes, poems, or songs heard. Let us look at these sets of words. We have set A, house, mouse. Read it with me. House, mouse. Set B, we have big, small. Let us read together. Big, small. And for the set C, we have nap, cap. Let us read together. Nap, tap. Okay, let us notice the sounds of the set of words. We have the first one, house and mouse. Have you noticed that they have the same ending sounds? House, mouse. Again, house, mouse. They have same ending sounds. So therefore, they are rhyming words. What about set B? We have big, small. Again, big, small. Do they have the same ending sounds? No. So therefore, they are not considered as rhyming words because remember that rhyming words have the same ending sounds. Okay? What about the set C? We have nap and tap. Again, nap, tap. Did you hear that they have both same ending sounds? Yes, so therefore, they are considered as rhyming words. Let us now do our learning task 1. Match the pictures which have the same ending sounds. Write the letters of your answers in your notebook. So we have column A and column B. The first one is the word pan. Let us look at column B. Which word rhymes with the word pan? Is it pan, nut, No. Is it pan? Wig? Is it pan? Bat? Not again. Is it pan? Cap? Oh no. Pan? Can? Yes. So therefore, the word pan and can rhyme together. Pan, can. So the answer is letter E. Did you get the correct answer? Great job. Number 2, we have the word hat. Is it hat, nat, hat, wig, hat, bat, hat, cap, hat, can? That's your answer. If your answer is letter A, hat and nat, great job. Next number 3, we have map. What word rhymes with the word map? Is it map, nat, map, wig, map, bat, map, cap, map, can? What's your answer? If your answer is letter D, map, cap, hooray! Great job! Next, number 4, we have pig. What word rhymes with the word pig? Is it pig and nut, pig wig, pig bat, pig cap, pig can? What's your answer? If your answer is letter B, we have pig and wig. Yes, that's right. Next, number 5, we have cat. What word rhymes with the word cat? Is it cat nat, cat wig, cat bat, cat cup, cat can? What's your answer? If your answer is letter C, very good. We have cat and bat. Cat and bat rhyme together. Let us read once more. Let us do it again. We have pan, can, hat, nat, mop, cap, pig, wig, cat, bat. These are examples of rhyming words because they have the same ending sounds. Let us read once more. Pan, can, hot, nat, mop, cap, pig, wig, cat, bat. Great job! Always remember that rhyming words refer to 2 or more words having the same ending sounds. These rhyming words are very common in songs, poems, and nursery rhymes. Let us look at these examples. We have car, bar. Again, car, bar. Rice, rice. Rice, rice. Pet, get. Pet, get. Tree, free. Tree, free. Case, vase. Case, vase. Red, bed. Red, bed. Bag, tag. Bag, tag. Kit, bit. Kit, bit. Pan, fun. Pan, fun. Jet, net. Jet, net. Let us have more examples. We have, let us read more examples. Let us read more examples. Man, vet. Set, net. Play, clay. Read, lead. Jam, ham. Shell, bell. Top, pop. Duck, truck. Hen, pen. Sail, tail. Bone, cone. Ball, call. They are examples of rhyming words. Words that have the same ending sound. For learning task 2, let us identify the rhyming words in the nursery rhyme. Write your answers in your notebook. Let us sing this nursery rhyme. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Once more. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Okay, let us identify the rhyming words in this nursery rhyme. Okay, kids, I will be giving you 10 seconds to identify the rhyming words in this nursery rhyme. Ready? Begin. Now, are you ready to give your answers? Let's begin. So we have hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Okay, let us identify the rhyming words. We have hickory and dickory. Did you get the correct answer? Great job! Next, we have duck and clock. Did you get the correct answer again? That's great. Next is one and run. Okay, let us read once more. Hickory, dickory, duck, clock. One, run. These 3 sets of words are called rhyming words because they have the same ending sounds. Did you get all the correct answers? Great job! Now let us answer learning task number 3. Identify the missing rhyming word for each nursery rhyme below. So write your answers in your notebook. First, we have Jack and Jill went up the blank. What word will complete this rhyme? What's your answer? Is it Jack and Jill went up the hill? Or is it Jack and Jill went up the stairs? What's your answer? If your answer is hill, great! Let us sing once more. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came trembling after. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la, 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 and Jill came trembling after. Great job! Next, for number 2, we have Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you blank. 10 seconds to complete this. What's your answer? Is it twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you were? Or is it twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are? Did you get the correct answer? Great! Let us sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. For number 3, we have Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great. Is it fall or slip? 10 seconds to answer. What's your answer? Is it Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, Humpty Dumpty had a great fall? Or is it Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, Humpty Dumpty had a great sleep? What's your answer? If your answer is Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Great! Let us sing. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Great! In your notebook, complete the sentence by selecting your answers from the choices below. We have same, to. Let us complete the sentence. Rhyming words are blank or more words that have the blank ending sounds. 10 seconds to answer. Are you ready to give your answers? Great! Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same ending sounds. Let us read together. Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same ending sounds. Did you get the correct answer? Great job! Thank you for watching and listening, kids. I hope that you learned a lot today. Bye! Keep safe, everyone!